Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Grubhub's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your Grubhub's account, firstly open your Grubhub application. The home page of Grubhub will appear on the screen. Tap on Account option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Among the options, scroll all the way down and tap on Logout. You will be logged out of your account in no time. This is how you can log out of your Grubhub's account quickly and easily just in few steps. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Drop down the queries and feedback if you have any in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching.